Oppo Reno 5 5G series is scheduled to launch on December 10 in China, and more details about specifications, variants, and pricing of two models have been leaked. Oppo Reno 5 5G and Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G are said to come with Android 11 out of the box. The two models are expected to be offered in 2 RAM and storage configurations and 3 color options. Additionally, Oppo Reno 5 5G series is said to be using luminous materials that will make the phones glow in the dark. Oppo Reno 5 5G series price expected. China Telecom website has listed two Oppo phones called Oppo Reno 5 5G and Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G with their specifications, configurations, and pricing. The vanilla Oppo Reno 5 5G is said to come in 2 configurations, 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB, with the former priced at 3,299 Chinese yuan and the latter at 3,699 Chinese yuan. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G is expected to come in the same 2 configurations, with the base model priced at 3,899 Chinese yuan and top-tier model priced at 4,299 Chinese yuan. The Oppo Reno 5 5G is said to measure 159.1 x 73, 4 by 7.9 mm and weigh 180 grams. It is expected to come with a USB Type-C port. The China Telecom website shows a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080 pixels display and a 4300 mAh battery. The sensors include ambient light sensor, gravity sensor, altitude sensor, and proximity sensor. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G is said to measure 159.7 x 73, 2 by 7.6 mm and weigh 175 grams. The website shows a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080 pixels display and a 4300 mAh battery. It has been listed with the same sensors as the Oppo Reno 5 5G. Additionally, the Oppo Reno 5 5G series is said to have luminous materials on the back, as per a report by Chinese website Sina. A Weibo post by a digital blogger shared by the website shows a glowing camera module of one of the Oppo Reno 5 5G series phones. The rest of the back panel is dark, which further highlights the glowing material used. Hit that subscribe button to never miss an update from us.